morning, y'all. So right now it is currently like 10:53 on Saturday. I'm still at home, obviously. I think I may go to Albany today because it's a Demolition Derby today. And I told Kendrick and Diamond that I would go with them. I told Maya that I would go with her and my brother and Courtney. But what I really want to go to the fair for, is a funnel cake, because I haven't had a funnel cake in forever. I really just want to go eat like any and everything that I can. So yeah, if I decide to go, then of course you guys will see this clip, but if not, then I'll just see y'all next time, I guess.
2,000 years later.
Y'all, I'm really debating on if I should even go or not. I really just want to stay home and sleep and chill. It's gloomy out today. Hold on, let me show y'all. Ooh, I know y'all see them clouds now. Also, comment down below, like, what's y'all's favorite, like, food from the fair? Like,
Why ain't there my...
huh? Beezy. Fresh young rapper named Beezy.
I'm playing nasty, cuz.
You ain't even trying, bro. The cookies. I just passed by the fair now, bro. It's looking so nice out there. We're going tonight. I'm going tonight. I'm getting me a funnel cake.
There you go.
Man. Alright, y'all, so I made it to Albany. I'm at my brother's house again. Hopefully, I'm probably gonna try to go find something to eat. It is, what time is it? It's 3:35. So probably go get something to eat or some Starbucks or something, because it's kind of cold outside. A little. We're up here talking about collateral. All right, say what you were saying, bro. Come on. Help people who may not know about using assets and other people's money.
I'm just a dumb nigga.
What's your plan today?
We on the run.
You gonna get us some Starbucks, G? It's it. How to put my hair in a ponytail. Period. I think we're finna go to Starbucks, but I want some food, but I don't know. Like I said, I might go to the fair tonight, I might not. It really just depends. Kira told me the derby starts at 7, so we'll see. But I don't, y'all, every time I go vlog, bro, go hide in the dark. Like, chill, bro. It's just YouTube, bro. I ain't famous yet, bro. Look up, bro. You gonna be in a vlog, boy.
You really funny. Real.
I know I probably didn't vlog all day, but I'm happy. I need this mirror in my house, G. This is nice.
Yeah, last that you need love to do. Oh, you saw all this.
One time, go. When she stops hanging up older and the fights keep getting worse, hit that bitch, something birds in her purse. Ay, better put that woman first. When you know that she ain't wearing her ring. If she starts playing little game, coming in late from work. Hey, not the bus stop. Better put that hey, so many times. Anyways, hey, now freestyle. How do y'all feel about the whole Kanye thing? So we watch.
Listen, Kanye, I'm pissed off because 21 and Drake done put out that new album.
Just be quiet. But yeah,
40 got COVID, so they couldn't finish producing.
But what I gotta do with? Oh, so why would you announce an album that ain't already done? Maybe that's just me. If I know my stuff done, then I'm gonna push it out. I'm gonna promote it. But if my album ain't done,
she ain't gonna promote nothing.
But if my stuff ain't done, why would I tell somebody? Because when they said they was holding it back, I thought it was talking about like going on tour or something like that. I've been out of the loop, so I don't know. But any new music from Drake and 21 is Chef. I'm gonna say Chef Cooks, Chef Kiss. Baton Rouge. I love how people from New Orleans talk. They got the best accent. Lil Wayne, baby mama. Baton Rouge, baby.
Personal things. I don't like discussing personal things.
I told him let's talk about Kanye. He said that's too personal. Him and Kanye close. A lot of people don't know this, but he did go to school with Kanye West. Him and my brother worked together on our graduation album. So when we talk about him, when he sees him in the world and stuff like that, it's sad for him because, you know, they grew up together in Chicago on the west side. Yeah, he about to piss me off.
Literally a massive weapon.
So why would you hit me with it?
That's why I'm not gonna keep getting worse. Getting worse.
I'm really leaving. Because this idiot wants to take 10 years. I don't know where we're going, though. They won't tell me. They're trying to kidnap me.
Shining bright like a diamond.
It wasn't like mine.
Watch this. I bet you get it out.
What's about to shine bright like a diamond?
The gas light.
Nah, they locked up Swayze Baby, man.
They locked my boy. Oh.
If you from Georgia, you know who Swayze Baby is. This is a song right now. He from Cordell, Georgia. Don't free Swayze. But he in jail, man.
True, from looking at him from the moon. I'm looking at him from the moon. Yeah, I think I'm cool. And now them bitches acting fool. When they see me, cause I'm the true. From looking at him from the moon.
That's my baby. Where they going?
Right.
Yeah, I made it here. About to go to the fair with this. Do right. Subscribe to my boy, man.
Hold up. I was not ready.
Tell them what the move is, bro. I need to
Go
take
the
this off.
Demolition Derby. See who win. My coworker, he built him a car.
Oh, he in it?
He gonna compete in the derby. So we gonna see if he win. He bought a Dodge, or he got a Dodge Neon and built it to race in the derby. So we gonna go see.
He ain't better than my Dodge. He ain't better than my Dodge. We just waiting on Nina now. But we just standing at the line waiting on Nina. It's not that cold though.
Alright, so just an update. Y'all believe it or not, Ebony didn't even want to come to the fair with me today.
I was tired.
She was being so fake. Basically had to grab her little curls and bring it to the fair with me. Cause we going to the derby.
It's honestly.
We have a car show we do every April. It's a fairground. Yep. There'd be a lot more cars.
That's what you supposed to be doing right now.
I know, dude. And hopefully. Made it to the derby. They have a drone out here, bro. I don't know if y'all can see it. 10-1, bro. I need to be in one of them right up. Sure you gotta come to this, the car show. To be honest, y'all, I wasn't even gonna come, but I'm glad that I came. They basically dragged me here by the throat, but I, bro, the screams are hilarious. You wanna get on that road? Hop on there, man. It looked kind of fun though, honestly.
That girl balling. Oh,
She got money. You said 55? 55? Alright, thank you. Here you go. I'm gonna put this back.
oh, she's stealing. She's stealing.
Oh, I guess. Okay. Thank you.
Which one you got?
Stitch. I still want to put that bit on, but they snapped it, bro.
Who snapped it? Oh, he snapped on the beat. Then I'm gonna rap on the beat. You know
Bro, I got a turkey leg and a shish kebab for $59.99. But it was worth it though.
Hi. Wait a minute. Who are you?